Hey guys, RTT back here from the video, guys. Today we are unboxing a brand new motherboard. Now this motherboard is actually compatible with the AMD 5000 series motherboards. It's an absolute beautiful motherboard, and of course you will see later this month I'm going to be going ahead and getting finally my AMD 5950X, which right now currently is on back order. I ordered it literally like an hour after it came out the other night, and it's on back order, so I will be getting that eventually, but it will go ahead and go right with this bad boy right here, which is a ROG Crosshair V3 Hero Wi-Fi edition, of course. I'm actually currently selling on eBay right now my ROG Strix X299 gaming motherboard, and just showing you guys this real fast. I am actually selling this currently on eBay. If you like to go ahead and pick it up, it does have a pretty good CPU in here. It has a i9 7960X, which is an amazing workstation CPU. And this whole entire thing will be on eBay currently right now. I have a link down below in the description. If you want to go ahead and pick it up and buy it, it's in perfect condition. Obviously, I take care of all my electronics very, very nicely. But if you would like to buy that, that is on eBay currently. So go ahead and look at it. Price-wise, I am open for negotiation. So if you want it for cheaper, I'm open to negotiation. But obviously, I won't do a stupid price. All right, so here we go, guys. We got this bad boy right here. So I'll make my hands all clean, so I make sure nothing happens with it. But inside the box, we do, of course, get a little, looks like a little thing you put your drink on. That's what it looks like. A little thing you put your drink on. We also do get a DVD, which is, of course, the drivers and the BIOS, all that kind of stuff. We also do receive what looks like, I don't know what this is. Thank you for your purchase of an ROG product. Okay, so that's that. We get some stickers, it looks like. Yeah, it looks like we get some stickers. That is awesome. And then right here we have just like advertisement. I have a code on the back of here. CustomCableMod.com. Okay, so I'm not going to show the code, but that's kind of cool. And of course we have the actual order, everything like that, in case you want to return it, or probably warranty stuff. And then we got a manual, which, trust me, you might be like, oh, the manual. Guys, manuals are so important. Not even funny. Of course, whenever I sell a motherboard, anything like that, I always keep all the paperwork. So if you ever buy something from my eBay store, you will go ahead, of course, and have all the paperwork with it. I keep everything together, just in case. You never know. All right, so here we go, guys. And let me go ahead and start off right away by taking this bad boy out. Let me see. How are we going to get this bad boy out? I want to make sure I don't mess up anything here. Okay. Alright. We're going to end up putting it right back in here, but I just want to go ahead and show you guys what this looks like. So, first off, we have, of course, you can see how many USB ports we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 USB ports. We have a USB-C port. We have, 4 USB 3.0 ports. We have a reset and a power for your BIOS, a clear cache item. Awesome. And of course, we have our soundboard in, and this is a Wi-Fi model. It does have Wi-Fi built in. So that is awesome. Of course, on the board here, we do have 4 different RAM slots. We, of course, have, again, like I said, AMD socket, so this is not Intel. And, of course, we have 3 PCI slots 4.0, which is absolutely awesome. And, of course, we have our 24-pin adapter, 24-pin, power for our motherboard. And overall, just a very awesome motherboard. Again, I'm going to put it right back in the box because right now we don't need it because we were waiting for that 5950X. I probably will be doing another. I'll probably will be buying another AMD CPU in the meantime, just to try this out and test it and benchmark it. And of course, this is the cool thing about this, guys. It has its own little fan for the motherboard. I know that might sound stupid, but like, it's cool to me, okay? It's cool to me, man, okay? Give me a break, guys. Give me a break. Anyway, guys, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.